we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German racing track. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting names from the automobile world as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In German, it is said as Nürburgring, Nürburgring, Nürburgring. In English, however, it is usually said as Nürburgring, Nürburgring, from German, Nürburgring. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the world of racing and cars whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.